severe thunderstorms. That's what we're expecting today, so we're under the gun today. There's been some rumbling of thunder from the southeast right here. Here we go, yep. Oh man, there were some ominous looking clouds earlier. It must have been the front coming in first before the thunderstorm. Oh my gosh, was it eerie looking. Well, if we do get a torrential downpour, I'm hoping that I could test out our flash flood path that was built a few weeks ago, rebuilt. See, it goes all the way down there, and it ends up making a left turn down here to prevent too much flooding, so there could be less water going down the porch. So that's why this flash flood path was actually made. So we'll see what happens. It starts right here, then it'll make its way all the way to the end. Whoa, that was a bolt of lightning. Good timing, wowee. My goal is to stay under here for safety. Whoa, that was a big one. Yep. Stay under the roof at all times, always during an electric storm. No excuses. If you look right there, that's rain shafts. Right there, it should be coming in. Right there. Or it could be a hail shaft. Usually when it's pure white, it's hail. We're expecting pea-sized to marble-sized hail. Nothing too extreme. There's some finches eating at our front yard, and you could hear them bickering. It's quite funny.